How's it, YouTube? This is West Side, Kikaha, Kaua'i Hawai'i. This is how I did my old 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan Sport. Got bird shit all over it. Gotta get this running again because my fucking Toyota's shooting smoke, burning oil. Thought I could fix it by changing the valve seals like in my other video I uploaded. Still was smoking, which leads to the oil and piston rings must be bad, constantly burning smoke under load. But I'll be uploading that rebuild later. But for now, I gotta get this running. This radiator was leaking, so I had to take it out, but should have recorded that process, but trying to explain it right here. So basically your radiator sits right down in those two holes, and then this is the AC condenser that goes in front of it. But the bitch part was getting, you see these holes? This is where the AC condenser fits in. So when you're taking it out, you gotta like pull up the AC condenser and push this back and out. Just kind of a bitch, but I got it. And this part, that is what goes into those two holes on the radiator. Yeah, and this is a condenser. You can move it up and down, but not too much. You don't want to damage the AC lines. Got the new one right here. Gotta match that up. Oh yeah, when the fans came out easy. Just these clips was kind of tricky. See that right there? So this is lock. There. There. So this is lock. This is open. Push to the left. Mine's all fucking jammed. Fuck. And then you push this down, pull out. Fit that back in there. Oh, and before that, you gotta take this fucking bitch off. It was 214s, I believe. And that comes off. Just move it to the side. I didn't want to disconnect all this shit. Took this off. Gave a little bit more room. 10mm bolt. Yeah. Gotta put it back now.